I'm super excited because I just got this brand new mixer. I think we all know those big name brands, and this one right here, I was so surprised at everything it comes with and the power in this. Wait until you see it. So obviously you have the machine right here, and you do have your bowl. I love that there are two handles here on the side of the bowl, so it makes it really easy just to kind of grab and go when you need to. It of course comes with your dough hook, it comes with the whisk, it comes with the beater, and it even comes with the egg white separator, which I think is really cool. And then right here, let me show you this. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that, but it does have these suctions down on the bottom, because you know when you turn these things on, they are pretty heavy duty and they can kind of start shaking, rocking and rolling, and this won't move anywhere, which is really nice. So right here on this side, you have your lock for this part here, and we just bring this down. I'm sure you've noticed this right here. This is a splash guard. So whatever you have in here, if you have lots of liquidy stuff, it's not going to go flying everywhere. And then of course we have our settings right here. It goes up to 6. So the other thing too is if you just need to like pulse it, you can kind of just go this way and then release and it will do that. But check this out. Let's go right to 6. Check this power. That is pretty intense and impressive. So I'm going to go ahead and bring this over here. So my stepdaughter is making some bread. So I said, hey, let me put this in here for you. I'm not too sure what I'm doing, but we're going to give it a try. It is really sticky, so I'm just spraying a little bit of oil here on my hand so I can get this out of the bowl right here and into the mixer. So let's go ahead and get this into the bowl. Ooh, I'm hoping I don't ruin her bread here, all of her hard work. All right, look at that. I can't wait to mix this up. All right, that was pretty sticky, but we did get it into the bowl. So I'm gonna go ahead and lower this down and lock it into place. And now we're just gonna let it mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on a low medium and look at that go. So as you can see, it's definitely beneficial to have those little suctions at the bottom because this is moving around quite a bit. The other thing I really love is that the splash guard does have an opening here. So if you do need to add in any mix-ins, you can do that without actually stopping the machine. So if you are looking for a kitchen mixer, this one right here is so fantastic.